Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Forth. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you could see my videos and also turn on your notifications. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back, boo. You know I love you. I really love this look I created and I would love you guys to see how I did this, so please stay tuned and enjoy. I'll be going in with the 24K Gold Serum. I love the serum so much. It's very good for your skin. I'll make a video about that soon. And I'll be spraying my face with the Zikel spray just to really moisturize my face. And I'll also be going in with my Stay Matte primer. You guys know the drill. You know I love this primer so much. And funny how this foundation is so cheap but then it works magic. This is my baby skin foundation in the shade 08 and I'm just using this brush to blend this into my skin. You guys, look at this foundation, it's so beautiful. To highlight guys, I'll be going in with my Milani foundation in the shade Cool Tan under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cubic bowl, my chin, and the sides of my face. Using this foundation brush from Zoeva, I would use it to blend this highlight into my skin. Guys, you can see how effortlessly this blends into my skin, and I like to go from sides to the middle. This is how it looks after I have blended, and I'll be contouring with my Zikel foundation. I can't remember the shade guys. I'm going to drop it in the description box. And if you notice, I did not touch my nose highlight because I wanted to sit there for a while. I'll be blending it very soon. Guys, I'm still using my Zoeva brush to blend my contour. For your foundation routine guys, believe me, you don't need 1001 brushes. And I'm using this eyeshadow blending brush from Zoeva also to blend my nose contour, my nose highlight guys, highlights. And to contour my nose guys, I'm going in with that Zikel foundation and also this Real Techniques pointed foundation brush to just contour my nose area. Going back in with that Zoeva eyeshadow blending brush, I'm just gently blending it into my skin. Next up, I'll be going in with the Milani Mineral Compact Powder in the shade Warm to set all the areas I highlighted. This prevents creasing. Going in with my benign baking powder, I'm just setting powder guys. I'm just setting all the places I highlighted. For eyeshadow base, I'll be using the Karite eyeshadow primer. You guys, I don't know how to pronounce the name of these products, but we move. And I'm just applying this on my eyelid area, and I'll be using a blending brush from Zoeva to just spread this evenly. For eyeshadow, I'll be using my Morphe Dare to create palette and also my ORIFLAME powder to just create my eye look for today. I'll be going in with this color it's going to serve as my transition color. Yes guys, I've had this powder for a while now and it's so light. I got it from ORIFLAME. I was just wondering what I could use this for, until boom, I thought of this, and then it works so well. I'll be going in with this shade from my Morphe palette to just blend out all the harsh lines. To line my eyes, I'll be using the Color Charm gel liner. I'll be dropping a video for this soon. And for lashes, I'll be using this pair of random lashes, guys. They don't have a name. This is my number 7 brush, and I'm just dusting off excess powder. Going back in with my Milani powder, I'm just setting all the areas I baked. Set my contoured area, I'll be using the shade Dark Cocoa from my Ageless palette. You guys know I love using this to contour, to set my contoured areas. For blush, guys, I'll be going in with this shade from my CDP blush palette. I love how this is so calm yet so visible. And for highlight, I'll be using my Fayre Cosmetics face definer to highlight all the areas. You guys know this drill. For lip color, for lip liner, guys, lip liner, I'll be using my Pure Color lip pencil in the shade dark brown to just line my lips. For my lip color, guys, I'll be using this orange shade from this lipstick palette, guys, and I loved how this look is. Orange, and it also has this metallic golden, guys, I can't even explain it, but I hope you guys see what I mean. And for my waterline, I've lined my waterline using a very normal eyeshadow, and I'm just popping the shimmer shade into my tear duct area. Now I'm going in with this Blossom mascara to just comb my false lashes. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Bye.